Hey there! In this video, let's understand how to view, edit, delete, and download the test summary report. Once your tests have been played back, a comprehensive report is generated, offering several options for interaction. You can easily download the full report or export it as an Excel file for convenient access. The report provides key details such as the test page name, associated test cases, their pass or fail status, the execution time, the start and end time of each test case. If you need to report any bugs, there's a direct integration with Jira for streamlined bug reporting. You also have the option to delete a report if necessary. In the comprehensive test summary report, you can view a detailed overview of test results. In the home menu, you'll see detailed information about the URL, execution time, and environment of your tests. Moving to the Test Cases menu, all the test cases are displayed page-wise. If you select a page, the test cases are displayed on the right side. When you expand a test case, you'll find a set of predefined parameters that remain consistent across all test cases. These parameters are used by the tool to determine whether the test case is marked as a pass or fail. Any visual defects that are detected will be prominently displayed here. In the Trends menu, you will find various report trends. Regression testing trend analysis tracks result changes over time, identifying patterns and regressions. Test case status distribution prioritizes areas based on status views. Execution duration trend aids performance monitoring. Platform and browser test coverage ensures comprehensive testing. Testing evidence offers visual documentation for issue identification. Let's take a closer look at the editing feature. When you click on the Edit option, the interface opens like this. You'll notice options to either edit or delete the test cases. For simplicity, all other menu options are temporarily disabled while you make your changes. Let's explore what can be edited. If you notice visual defects in a test case that you deem irrelevant, you can quickly select the case and delete it, which will automatically update the defect count displayed in the report. Changing the status of a test case is also simple if it's currently marked as pass, but you want to mark it as fail. Just navigate to the Edit option, update the status, and feel free to add a comment explaining the change. Once you hit Update, you'll see the status change accordingly, reflecting a false negative if it was marked as fail. Conversely, if you later switch it back to pass, it will then show as a false positive, and you can view any comments you've added previously. What if you just want to add a comment without changing the status? That's a breeze. Click on the Edit button, type your comment, and update it. You can view the comment box here. Once you are done with edits, click on Save Changes. You'll receive a success message confirming your changes, and the updated report will reflect all modifications made during the editing process. When you click on the Report menu, you will get these two options. With Download, you can easily download your report. In the report history, you will get various versions of your report. You can choose any of the version and open it. So that concludes the test summary report.